The 2010 Challenger, rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control, keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, fog lamps, power door locks, bucket seats, MP3 player, power windows. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.